Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm just gonna share massive beauty items and I purchased all with my money, so it's very fair reviews. Sorry about my voice. Actually it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm just sick of making excuses to make YouTube videos because I live with my family and they're gonna make noises, and the outside is a little bit loud as well because I live in a very tough neighborhood. So my voice is a little bit sounds like I've just woke up, but I hopefully understand. I've got many interesting and fun beauty items, so I just want to share. So without much further ado, let's get right into it. You guys can see my makeup looks different because I purchased some makeup stuff. The first item I want to share is a fun one, eyeshadow palette. You can see it doesn't get this one well. There you go. It's from 3C and I love their products. It's like Korean version of MAC and they have many fun colors and the color is very easy to build. So is that I use this one base, and second I use this, and third I give some depth using this color, and I use this one like highlighter. So very glowy. I'm really into this glowy look, and I used to use kind of rosy color palette, so I feel like I want to get a kind of brick color brownish color. The name of this color is Casual Talk. So, and I feel like this is very economical palette because just 4 colors everyday colors. So I'm really into it. I purchased this one yesterday, so it's my second time to use this one. I really like it. You can see the makeup. And I also got this new blush from Namie, which I've never heard. What's the name of the color? It's STRUG, Strut. The name of this product is Fluffy Powder Blush. You can see natural color. It's like give a natural, glowy, healthy look. Actually, it doesn't have any pearls, so I put another highlighter, but I also like this color. I feel like they goes pretty well. I was considering of purchasing the same one from 3C, like a kind of pink rosy blush, but I wanted to try a new one, so I got this. Yeah, I feel like it's also very economical, very small, because I don't need that much quantity of product, you know, I just have one face. I also got this Big Shot Maybelline eye mascara. I love their mascara, Maybelline's mascara, so whenever I just use stuff, I just purchased the Maybelline's one, but different version of mascaras is for like a volume, because I recently got eyelash permed, so I just need a lot of volume. You can see, I'm not sure you can see this. Yeah, so these are all like makeup products, and let's move on to skincare. I love skincare. I purchased many things. I think so. The first one I share is this eyelash ampoule because I recently got eyelash perm, so I feel like, oh, my eyelash needs some strength and care, so I got this. The name of this product is Long Active Eyelash Serum from Cosnori. I've never heard this brand, but I just searched it and this was one of the best selling items, so I purchased it. Actually, I cannot say the product is transparent. So I used this one yesterday after putting some sheet mask on my face. I feel like I'm a millionaire. I'm a queen whenever I take care of myself. Yeah, so for that purpose, I'm using this from yesterday, so I will share later how it affects my eyelashes. I have very healthy and strong eyelashes, but because of perm, I just want to try this one. I also got this eye cream from Gudal. The name of this product is Gudal Green Tangerine Vita C Dark Circle Eye Cream Set, which is very long. So, not dark circle, but I feel like I need some brightening effect under my eye area. I don't know, but I got some like a allergy reaction or something, so my eyes look like always puffy when I wake up, and got some like not dark circle but red circle. So my mom asked me what happens to your eyes, but I realized that I've already had another eye cream, so real product, and they gave 2 of them. I used 1. I love this, so I want to use this one, but I realized that I have another eye cream I've already had, so I feel like I'm going to finish this one after using that up. So that's the thing. The texture is very, very good, worthy. I'm gonna share. And I love this case too, like this type of texture. The smell is not like that tangerine smell, like citrus smell, but it's not really like it's strong, which I love. So, and I've got 2, what else? Dry shampoo. The first one is called Lab. I don't know this brand. Oh, it's also from UK, and Brightest is famous one, is also from UK. To be honest, I prefer this one because it has too much powder, so I always have to worry about the powder on my hair. That makes me look like I look like a grandma. That makes my hair look white, but it has more quantity, and I love this smell much. Anyway, I love both because dry shampoo is one of my necessary items because I do work out a lot, so, and I don't want to wash my hair every day, so like I wash my hair every other day. Between those days I use dry shampoo. And you guys should try this one if you guys like Brightest dry shampoo. The smell of it is amazing. What's the name of it? Floral lively blossoms. Literally it smells like just shampoo. So I keep talking about my new eyelash, so I also want to introduce this one. Is from Rejurecipe eyelash perm kit. I got it from coupon. Natural curling every day. Because I don't do eye makeup every day, so I feel like I need eyelash perm. I want to try. I want to do like a fake eyelash extension later, so it's like a first step to do that. I just want to try. The good thing about this, it has like a 10 set, so you can do 10 times. I think I can use this one year if I did not do under eyelashes, but I'll do later. I asked that to my mom to do that. Sorry, mom. But I also want to learn how to do this so I can do this by myself, and I can do that for my mom. It has cream and like many good stuff here. You have to put your eyelashes using the glue, and then you have to put some creams on top of that, and that's it. The process looks like very simple. It takes like 20 minutes, but if you're not skillful, it takes more time because you have to do the eyes, both of eyes separately. But if you are able to do those eyes at the same time, it just takes about 20 minutes. So you have to use this one before applying all the others. It's like a primer. And this is the glue. I'm not sure my camera gets this one well. This always focuses on my face, but it's glue, but the glue is not that like too much sticky, so you don't have to worry about. So you have to use either tape or wrap or something like that to attach that. These are for eyes, so they cannot make that much like a sticky or like a strong. One of my all-time favorite self-care skincare item is sheet mask, and I'm tired of getting them separately whenever I visit Olive Young, so I went to coupon website, searched some sheet mask. I got these guys. These are from JM Solution. I thought I've tried their products before, but I didn't really remember. But they got the best reviews, so I purchased them. The 3 of this, one each for I guess 10, and less than 20 bucks, so it's very good deal. The first one is honey, the next one is water luminous. It's for like a moisturizing, and I really need that, so I use this one, moisturizing one 2 times, And the last one is this very special one, Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moisture Mask. And I was surprised at first. I was trying to use this, but it has like a, not only it has a sheet mask, it has a essence here, step 1, and step 3 is all face ice cream. Ice cream? No, all face ice cream. So I've already applied other products, so I don't want to use this one, so I use this one later. But I feel like it's very special. Eye cream, essence, boom, you can catch 3 birds at the same time. So this mask contains from pure Gangwon-do deep sea water, marine collagen, and pearl extract. So, and the last one is, I thought I purchased a lot, but not really. The last one is, to be honest, I haven't tried because I got this yesterday. This is a hair pack. The name of this brand is Ellie Moore Avocado Hair Pack, not avocado. The reason why I got this hair pack, I recently got more highlights on my hair. I dyed, so my hair is damaged. I want to make it silky, soft. I want to give some love to my hair. So I purchased this. Although my mom is a hairdresser, I can go her hair shop and get the treatment every other week. So I want to do it by myself. So I got it. I want to try this one maybe today. But today I need to wash my hair, so maybe this week I will try. I'm very excited. Ooh. It's good smell, like cream type of texture. Why the name of this product is avocado is it has like a avocado extract, avocado oil, olive oil. So yeah, it takes about how many minutes, like 10 or 20 minutes to wash it off. So that's the thing. Yeah, so these are all items I want to share with you guys. I hope you guys like them. I thought I've got a lot of stuff, but I feel like it's very short. Anyway, if you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion video, lifestyle, and fitness related video every week. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet. It's like a side talk, but I'm really appreciating my effort to make this video. I didn't make any excuses. I woke up early to film this video, and I feel really good. And I've purchased new workout outfit, like leggings stuff, so I'm going to make a video about them too, like a lookbook, what to wear to gym kind of stuff. So stick around if you are interested. Anyway, thanks for watching it again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.